Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and we are going to go on another Minecraft server, and I believe Pink is already telling them that I'm here. Oh gosh, I don't get the sounds. Once again guys, I'm sorry for the no face cam. That's not my fault. Tell the, I don't know, the creators of Screen Recorder that face cam doesn't work for me. And why isn't it? Even the servers don't work for me. Why? Servers, why do you do this to me? Yeah. Pink's here guys with Pink. So she's here on the server. I can't enter the server apparently because I'm lagging. That's not my fault. Okay, I'm here. I'm here. Oh wait, my skin! It's okay.
Oh, that's okay.
It's okay.
What about the other
Okay.
skin?
Whoa, look.
What about the other?
Yo, wow. Wow, hackers. Guys, I'm recording. It's live stream. I'm sorry guys for my voice. I'm kinda under the weather today. It's live stream. Oh gosh, YouTube, this is the ugly feeling. Hey, don't be like that. I want to be a hacker. Hey, no hacker. No hacker here. Nobody calls hacker. Many wants to be a hacker. No one wants to be hacker. Guys, so if you're in this server, make sure to never be friends with this flame. They hack because they are noob. You don't follow the rules. Look, everyone, Lolbra. What? Lolbra wants to be hacker. What? Guys, I'm sorry for my skin. My old skin got deleted because I kind of cleaned my tablet and my skin was included there. Hey, Pink.
What?
Pink. Do you wanna play?
Sure.
Okay.
Come on, let's just.
Also, shout a bit because my recording system kinda. Yeah, I know. Let's go to SG Highway. I'm here. What team are you on? Blue. I'm red. And wow, there's literally a blue here. Oh gosh. Legitimately, why? Why do you even do this, huh?
Oh my gosh, you're teaming. Lol, that green doesn't know. I'm here.
Where's that blue?
I got that kill.
Yes, I killed Nikki, yes.
Wow.
What? Well,
oh my gosh, there.
so you guys are there, huh? There's a lot of people here at middle, and I can see you guys.
Mid?
Yes, I'm at mid. I can see you guys.
I see you.
The blues are like
Me
OP.
too. Oh,
Are
it's
OP
PvP. Oh,
at
wait,
A.
that's not you. Help me, my team. Help me, my team.
Hey.
Don't kill my team.
I just did. I'm
Don't
gonna kill you.
Don't kill me, wait. Wow.
This is legitimately okay. Fine. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna kill you. My team is.
No, I'm slow.
What is that supposed to mean? Do slash resume so that you can go back there at the same spot. Slash resume. Oh, sorry. You can't resume when you die.
Wait, am I? Oh, wait.
Yeah.
I'm VIP.
What? You're not VIP. Why? You thought you're... How come do you think you're VIP?
Why is there... Oh, I see you. Can you see me?
I'm at mid.
Yeah, I see you.
Well, I don't...
Yeah, you're there.
Oh,
yeah.
hi. Hi. Let's not kill each other, shall we? I'm gonna kill this guy. I can't kill him. Oh, gosh. It's a taunt.
He killed me. He killed me once. I'm gonna kill. Why are you killing me?
What?
Oh, I got the kill. Give me that diamond
Oh
sword.
gosh, there's hackers here. There's literal hackers everywhere.
Yeah,
Help
I
me.
know.
There's legitimately
I got
hackers.
the diamond sword.
Ooh, wow.
There's a hacker here.
Bro.
I'm just gonna
Yes,
go
I killed
here
him.
and regen.
Yeah, there's technically hackers everywhere.
Yeah, I know.
BH10 is now infected with the flame virus.
Yeah, but
No.
he didn't know.
There's still some good people in this server. Oh yeah, guys, there's gonna be a huge bomb at May. I don't wanna
They
spoil.
hack.
I
They
don't.
regret it.
Yeah, I don't wanna spoil anything for you guys because technically it's gonna be, guys, an all server thing.
Yeah.
Oh
And you're
gosh.
gonna be like, what the heck? Why is it happening here? I hate it.
Okay, everyone.
I
I'm
don't-
lagging. Oh no, I'm lagging. Gorman! Oh no, I'm dead.
sure.
And boop! I'm.
There's
If
so
you go to the compass, then you can resume. Don't kill me, okay? I'm gonna do slash resume later.
Oh, he doesn't even know I'm following him.
Your teams are pretty OP.
Yeah.
Also, I'm lagging.
Frick! La! Oh my gosh, that's a noob. Wow, I got a kill.
Gareth Charming.
Yeah, I know it. That's not even a
What?
charm.
That's not even charming, Gareth. That's jealousy.
Yeah, I know. He's so ugly.
Nah, not really. Nah, not really.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Blame your noob. You're noob. Cause you hack. Cause you hack. Hackers use hack. Cause the real game is too hard for them. Hackers use hacks because the real game you couldn't find if your life depended. Hackers use hacks because the real game is too hard for them. Okay, come on. Let's go
Wait,
back
go
to.
here.
Wow, why? No. Lol, I fight for my rights, Garrett. Your rights is nothing.
Wow, YouTube. Look,
Your
a man
rights
who
are
doesn't
your
know
wrong.
how to spell.
Yeah, your rights are your wrong. Okay, do slash resume.
Yeah.
And I'm here. I'ma kill everyone. Easy come, easy come. That's just how they lived. Oh,
Smiley.
take it all, but you never give. You know it was trouble from the first kiss when your eyes wide open. Why were they open? Yeah, I'm legitimately red. I killed everyone.
Pretty boy.
Oh look, Zane is here.
Chucky
Nice.
boy, I'ma kill you.
Oh look,
Why is
you're here.
here?
Oh no, Obama is here. Obama is here
Wow,
and he's trying to
such a
kill
coward
me.
running away from a baby.
Obama trying to kill me, eh? Obama is trying to
Chucky
kill
boy,
me.
come back
Help
here.
me. Oh my gosh, the Obama killer.
Oh, I
Oh
got,
yeah,
I got diamond
Obama.
swords. You want?
Obama. I
Go
killed
hub.
Obama.
I got.
No, I don't
No,
accept your
seriously,
charity.
I got 3 diamond swords. Go here.
I won't accept your charity.
Look.
Yeah, it's okay.
Hey,
Come.
can you?
That's just how they live.
Go here.
Oh, take
Seriously,
it
look at
all,
my
but you
tablet.
never give. You know it was trouble
Yes.
from the first kiss when your eyes wide open.
Go to
The
hub.
Reds are taking over. Why? Fine.
I'ma give you some.
Okay, I'm here.
This is my special sword, so you're not gonna.
I'm here.
Here, follow me. Where do you want to?
In the water, here. Then shift.
There.
There go, thanks. Thank you.
Jealous.
Yeah, try to fight for your rights too. Wait, my game is lagging.
You want me to friend Flame? I'ma give him diamond sword.
Yeah, befriend Flame. But make sure to still keep your distance with him. Don't be a hacker.
Yeah, I know.
You don't want hackers in this world. Or do we?
Evil Carl.
Evil Carly, what the heck?
Go back to your house and try to you, mommy. What,
I'm
mommy?
back.
What?
Obama, why do you keep coming back?
What?
You don't need Obama in this world. This is Minecraft. And UW, newbie. Hey, I'm lagging.
Yeah.
UW, hacker.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, you're green.
that poor little.
That poor soul. Creeper Zoc.
I'm
Deserve,
sorry.
give it back.
Ah!
Oh,
I'm
Creeper
killing
Zoc.
them.
Creeper Zoc is here.
Ender boy. Go die.
Can you kick Creeper Zoc? I really
Wait,
don't
I'm
like
having
him.
a fight with Ender.
Yes, look.
I
Look at
died.
that.
I died with 2 diamond swords.
Oh, really? So both of your swords got erased?
Yeah, I see it.
Ah,
I'm
that
not
sucks.
saying about in real life.
Okay, I'm not saying a word in real life. I'm just
We
typing.
don't care.
Wow, Mopey's here! Mopey! I'm recording. Mopey! Are you recording too?
Where the heck are you?
Recording too?
What's the name?
I record. I recording. Okay, fine. Okay, I'ma record. We're YouTubers before you became a YouTuber.
Yeah, that's true.
Well, yeah, it's true, but we didn't make Minecraft videos. Okay, come on. Let's go now.
Wow, nice skin, Mopey.
Yeah, guys, if you don't know who Mopey is, that's just basically our other YouTuber friend. Go check him out, it's pretty cool.
And we stalk him every day.
No, not really every day. Not really every day.
But we know all his accounts.
Yeah, but we won't reveal
Like-
any of them to you because that's like super secretive.
Yeah, it's like we stalk him every day. Look, there's a noob here.
What? You're green?
Yeah.
If you're so boss, get me, loser. Okay. Meow.
Oh,
I'm going to
that's my
go
team.
back.
You're such a noob.
I'm blue. Oh gosh.
you're blue. Oh,
Yeah, I'm on mid.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
You're
Okay,
green, right?
I'm going there. Let's fight.
Seriously, I have a diamond sword. You can't fight me.
Yeah, I'm a fight.
Legit? Seriously?
Yeah, but if I got your diamond sword, I'm gonna give you it back.
No.
Where are you? Where the heck
On
are
mid.
you?
On mid. Why?
Wait. Where?
I'm destroying every glowstone.
Here?
No, I don't know. I don't memorize it.
Yeah. Oh no, it's.
Yeah, there's a lot of reds
Just
here.
stay there.
Obama is back. I'ma kill the Obama. The ugly 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 Obama.
I'm going there for you.
Yes!
I'm gonna
Give me.
fight you.
Yes, I got everything he had.
Oh, I'm going there too.
That's so sad.
Go to hub.
Why?
No, not hub. I mean mid.
I am at mid.
Yeah. Oh, is that you? Oh, I see you.
Where are you?
I'm working. Oh, there's so many blues.
Oh, are you in the trees? Yeah, told you.
I'm at the cars.
No, you're not.
Hi! I'm behind.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Do you wanna fight? No. Do you wanna fight? No.
No.
No, this isn't you.
Yes.
Do you wanna fight? Do you wanna
No, I'm
fight?
behind you.
No, look.
No,
No,
seriously.
nakita ko yung pangalan mo dito.
Behind. Kuya, ay, look behind you.
What?
Look behind you.
Oh, I legit don't know. I'm so sorry. Someone killed you. I didn't do it.
Oh, I'm speaking Tagalog.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah.
Oh.
We kinda spoke our
Look.
real language. Oh, yeah. Never mind him. Never mind Mopey. Never mind Mopey. Tell Mopey that it was caught live. Mopey. Wow. Wow, you were recorded. Oh my gosh, we're trolling everyone here.
Yeah, but I don't know. Why pink? Recording.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. People here don't even actually believe us that we are recording.
Here's your cotton life.
Yeah. Main stormtrooper is gonna kill me with bow.
Oh my god. Hey, look behind you. I love it.
I have so many diamond swords.
Yes.
Go to the water.
Come on. Why is Smokey keep changing?
Here, go. Win. Here. Here you go.
Wait, don't.
Here. I'm sorry. So there you go.
My name is Pink.
Yeah, pink. Come on.
My name is Diana.
Just kidding. No, that's not it. But, you know. Oi! Why are they building bases here? That's not fair.
Wait.
2/shum.
Oh, I died.
What?
I died.
How come did you die? How did you die?
I don't know. I died.
Tell me how you died.
I'm red.
I'm red. What's...
I'm wow.
Wow, I killed someone.
Go to mid.
Oh no, there's a lot of greens here. There's even a hacker. Hacker, help me.
I live on
It's a game.
USA.
Oh my gosh, no way. Shh. Oh gosh, I'm sorry. It's not a game. What?
Oh my gosh.
It's just it. Guys, but we're kind of reaching the limit of the video already. So guys, hope you enjoy this quick LBS2 video. And if you did, make sure... Hey, not yet. No copyright. No copyright.
I like Dan TVN. I'm his fan.
Guys,
I'm his fan.
say bye to YouTube. Guys, say bye to YouTube. Guys, boy.
Boy, Tama.
Guys, say bye
It's a
bye to
game,
YouTube.
game.
Oh! YouTube. Bye. Yo, wow. What?